Triton is a fork of OpenRP. I guess everybody know, and so it's a way to give some hints to people who know well OpenRP, what's different, and also it's a way to be a little bit more inside Triton and how it works and how we try to make it work. So the first step is I will talk about the organization of the project. After that, a little bit about how the software works, the main concept, and finally a little bit of code to show the big improvement we made with the code quality and stuff like that. So Triton, OpenRP, well, I will start first, explain how it works on OpenRP, and after that how we did with Triton. So the organization of OpenRP, it's close to OpenRP SA, the company who try to own all the software, and they sell partnership contracts to other companies that try to install OpenRP, and this is their core business. And they ask for royalty to OpenRP SA. It's in the contract, partner contract. The opposite in Triton, it's community based. We try to make it community based. It's based on the meritocracy. So if you work well and if you do good work, you will be part of it and improve and get in the community, and the stuff will your work will be recognized, and that's all. It's I don't know what to say more. I guess he speaks for himself, and everybody is free to speak and to tell what he wants and so on. Like some guys I know have some issue with OpenRP about free speech, and so on. So that's for the organization. Right now in Triton, most of the parts are under the the control or the leadership of P2CK, but we will be happy to give some part to others to not support everything. So it's already the case. Matthias does some release process sometimes. We got Philippe Heller who build a Mac version of Triton, and so on. So the idea is to spread the work with every company that want to be part of it. About the licenses, with OpenRP we got first it was GPL2, after that they switched to GPL3, and after that to AGPL3, and now they have some kind of AGPL3 with exception, and all that is in 4 years. All this switch came in 4 years. And they have also a lot of other small code that is embedded in OpenRP that come from other licenses, BSD, and most of the time, or I think there is also other kind of BSD like license. For Triton, it's only GPL3 since the beginning, and with the exception for Proteus, which is LGPL, because we thought that it's better for this kind of software. The idea behind Proteus is to be a library to use in combination with other software, where we don't want to force the license for this kind of software. So LGPL was better to allow everybody to communicate with Triton. About the maintenance.
So if you go back, sorry that.
Yeah, of course. If you have questions, I think it's better to ask directly.
What you said, Triton is free
Yeah.
So, is it possible for Triton to change the license based on what happened with the previous code?
I think we need, if every contributor agree to change the license, it's possible.
But in what way is OpenERP still a contributor?
Right now, I think there is code from OpenERP still in Triton. For the server, perhaps, let's say 30%. And for modules, I think it's almost nothing. There is still the copyright in the copyright file, but if we take a deep look, most of it was almost rewritten since the beginning. So there is still the concept, but I think we will not find any lines that is still the same.
Let's say today we decide that we make everything LGPL or everything AGPL. What would happen?
If we rewrite the code from OpenERP, because I guess they will not agree to to relicense their code, we can. That's just we agree and we change the license and that's all.
And then do you think it's more likely to go to LGPL for everything or to AGPL for everything?
Personally, I don't like AGPL because I think it's a license that talk about technical stuff, and it doesn't explain exactly what you should do. When I read the AGPL, I'm not sure what I must do with this license. If I put my code in this license, I don't know exactly. You should provide the source code from the API of the services, but how do you do it? You must also it speak about internet, web, and concepts that are not clear for me. So I prefer to not go this way because it's not clear personally. But if someone has a better idea about AGPL, and
AGPL was easier to understand before OpenERP decided.
but even when you read it.
Because themselves, they don't understand it.
I guess.
So, if you remember, I was in favor of AGPL at that time. And well, now I'm lucky that I didn't succeed in convincing you.
Yeah.
Same thing for me.
And it will be hard work, I think, to be AGPL compliant. I guess OpenERP is not AGPL compliant. If you log to the web client, you don't have a link to download the source code that is running. And this is not valid for the AGPL. So, very...
The effort to go back to AGPL3 with exception is basically the step to go back to
GPL. Yes. And I think for the kind of software we are building, I think GPL is better. Sometimes we want to be able to make small modules that are not totally free. It's but internal, just for the usage of the company. So you don't want to spread it to all the world. Perhaps the code is not good. You don't want to show it. Or I think GPL is good for what we want. And I know there is a lot of noise on Twitter about the fact that we are GPL and not AGPL, and we are under the sous la crainte, under the fear or the threat of a bad SCS provider, but I don't think it's the case. I don't think for SES without customization, without deep services, will work. So anyway, nobody will be able to provide an SAS services that will run all the company simply. You need to tune always the software. we are building a business software, not just small software.
And also, after all, everyone is using Linux, and nobody's complaining because somebody is using their patch of Linux in the Google setups.
Yeah.
So
yeah, it will be better that everything will be open, but sometimes it's not the case, and it's not a big issue for us. It's an issue for the user of this kind of services. But he should take care about what he wants. That's my opinion. But okay. No question for the license?
So no change of license?
Someone want to change?
Yeah, and if someone want to change, he has to ask all the guys that have.
Today might be good reason to raise your finger, but if nobody
Yeah.
raises your finger, then
Perhaps BSD license? Someone?